Well, hello everyone. Today I will show you how to customize shortcuts in Revit. So first of all, go to the file menu and select options. Next, navigate to the user interface. Here you will find the customize keyboard shortcut. Just hit this one. So this one, for example, I will try to customize the properties that I would like to use for now. So I'm not gonna use this one, so I just click this one and remove, click this one and remove. And the properties I would like to use the P keyboard shortcut and assign. And also one more thing is project bar browser. We have project bar browser here, and I just use the PNG keyboard shortcut and assign and click OK. After that, OK, and try to use that one. Just click PP and then PNG. Yeah, as you can see right now. Well, please subscribe my channel for another tips and trick in Revit. Thank you so much. Bye.